Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today we'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A3 Sportback Sport 1.0 TFSI. It comes dressed in the stunning ibis white, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 47,316 miles. Standing on 17-inch alloy wheels with a 5-arm design, making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish and comfortable cloth upholstery with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the comfortable cloth upholstery and front centre armrest. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips, and a gear shift pedal for a more convenient drive. The cockpit showing you key features in the driver's view, such as maps, telephone connection, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. Now, if you like listening to your playlist, then you'll absolutely love the Bang & Olufsen sound system, giving crystal clear audio on every journey. The MMI multimedia display going into Audi smartphone to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's USB port. Into Maps to help you easily find your desired destination with confidence and ease. Telephone to stay in touch with friends and family when on the go. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place. Radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. And in the car menu with Audi Drive Select to choose your preferred driving modes, such as dynamic for a more sporty drive or comfort for those longer journeys. Below you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside, with the added luxury of heated seats for those chillier mornings. Stay powered up with the 12-volt charging point, 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees, finished off with the sleek manual gearbox, an electric parking brake adding a modern flair to the car's profile, and the MMI multimedia display control pad. This approved used Audi A3 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.